Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to delete your history in your YouTube channel. Something new here for 2024. And again, I'm going to walk you through the process. So we're going to go into my channel right here. And actually, let's go into something like this a little bit better. And essentially, you're going to go into your channel. So right here from the home page, you can go to your icon right here on the bottom to the right. And it's going to bring you into your channel right there, the content creator tool. Hopefully you have subscribed. On the top is going to be a little icon. Kind of click there, and then you could go into manage all history. It's going to take a second, and then from there you're going to be able to see all the searches that you have done. So right here in the middle right here it says delete. You can kind of click here, and then it's going to give you a choice. Do you want to delete today? Do you want to have a custom range, or do you want to delete all the time? I'm just going to do delete today. And right there, it's going to say deletion completed. The activity you have selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. Then you're going to click got it. So again, if you're looking to how you delete your search history, that's kind of how you do it from your cell phone. Let me know what you think. See you in the next one.